Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up VS Code for Salesforce development. First, you'll need to install Visual Studio Code itself, which is a fantastic lightweight editor. Next, install the Salesforce Command Line Interface, or CLI, to manage your Salesforce organizations and data. Finally, grab the Salesforce extension pack from the VS Code Marketplace. It includes all the crucial tools you'll need to get started. These 3 steps form the foundation of your development environment. Once VS Code is ready, open the command palette and create a new Salesforce DX project. You can select a template, such as standard or empty, depending on your project's requirements. After that, you must authorize your Salesforce organization. This crucial step securely connects your local development environment to your cloud-based Salesforce instance, allowing seamless interaction and data exchange. It's a straightforward process that ensures your setup is fully functional. With your project and organization connected, you can now retrieve metadata. This pulls components like Apex classes or Lightning Web Components from your Salesforce organization to your local workspace. Conversely, you'll deploy your local changes back to the organization, pushing your updates live. These retrieve and deploy operations are fundamental to Salesforce development, keeping your local code synchronized with your cloud environment. The command palette makes these tasks quick and easy. Finally, let's talk about debugging and advanced features. You can debug Apex code directly in VS Code by setting breakpoints and stepping through your logic. The Apex Replay Debugger is also incredibly useful for analyzing past execution flows. Beyond debugging, explore powerful tools like the SOCL Builder for querying data and robust support for developing Lightning Web Components. These features significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your Salesforce development workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.